never be afraid to just like something new, to be open-minded, bro. People want to be like, oh, you said you didn't like them and now you like them. What? So? I ain't like onions yesterday, now I'm eating onions. What's up? I can't change? Relax. I'm just gonna tell you guys, I am so excited, man. I love when things change, bro. You know, it kind of gets boring reviewing the same shoe after same shoe. And I love when someone essentially doesn't necessarily reinvent the wheel, but puts their own process on it. And I think Kanye does an excellent job of that. I'm excited to see what the future holds for a lot of different artists. So we're just gonna get right into it. Obviously, we have the Yeezy Foam Runner. I've never seen this in person nor held it. I've just seen images of it. I've seen videos of it. So I'm geeked, man. Let me just tell you. Huge shout out to the homie Jeff for holding me down on these. Did pick up a size 12. I'll let you know all about sizing. We'll do a review later, but for now, we're just doing the initial unboxing of me getting these. So, boom, here we have it. It is just a simple brown box, which is really interesting because typically there's like a foam on the top or some type of simple text, but I don't see that this time around. And then the box just goes ba-blam. Now, retail on these bad boys is $75. Obviously resale is crazy. I think it was upwards at one point towards 1,000. I think you can get these around $300. And you can also kind of see underneath the paper, it says Foam Runner. And I'm gonna take this out just because I wanna see the box. So we have that simple paper. Set them bad boys to the side. Okay, so Foam Runner, oh, that's fire. So the way they constructed the box is completely different. It has the size tag on the inside. So that's pretty cool. Now, like I said, man, a lot of entrepreneurs or people get flack over creating something similar. Everybody called these the Yeezy Crocs, which when I first saw them, I was kind of like, ugh, what the? Like, those look crazy. And the Yeezy Croc concept, right? You just stole the Crocs, but as an entrepreneur or just a creator or visionary, right? You don't have to reinvent the wheel. You just have to take something that you like and put your own twist on it, whether it's clothing, whether it's a YouTube video, you see some videos trending, you make a video about the same topic, you put your own spin on it, you create a product. There's a Swiffer out there. Maybe you want to make a Swiffer that looks different color and does other things. You know what I'm saying? Like, the world is yours, man. Don't let anyone deter you from that. It's deeper than sneakers. But otherwise, let's get into these bad boys. Yes, sir. So, wow. So I believe these are made from Eva Sole, which is that Eva Foam, my bad, not Sole. Eva Foam, which is in a lot of things. Like the majority of your sneakers probably have the Eva Foam in them. And like I was saying, $75 retail. I would assume eventually these are gonna be easier to get. I can see the resale prices dropping already. I would assume Kanye, his vision is gonna be similar to the Yeezys. I feel like Yeezys these days are more like Roshi runs because everyone has them. It's not even really that cool anymore. And I hate to say it like that. I mean in the aspect of like the sneaker community is really this small group that, like I said, got the microscope over them and now everyone knows about it. Now Yeezys are just everywhere, which there's no problem with that. It's all good. But I feel like that's the direction that these will potentially go. And I mean, you guys can see the elements of the aesthetic of this shoe, right? What went into this? It kind of looks like it was 3D printed. Obviously with Adidas and that 4D sneaker that was highly sought after at one point. You can see it really mimicked that aesthetic. And obviously we know there's gotta be some concept of sustainability. Crocs are actually made here in Boulder, Colorado. That's where I am, in case you didn't know. Done a lot of work with Crocs and I'll definitely wear these for a while and do a comparison of the two. You can get a typical pair of Crocs for $50 or you can get these for $75. It's pretty hard to get for $75. More so, you can get them for $300. But if you do score for $75, that's all good. But damn, like, I think the most important thing is just putting them on feet and letting you guys know how the sizing looks. But super interesting, man. And I think it's so funny because here's something for you. Me 2, 3, 4 years ago when it came to Crocs, no go, trash. You would never catch me in them weird looking, honestly just bummy shoes. Like I'm like, you're not catching me wearing those. And now 2020, 2021, I'm wearing Crocs. Same concept with these. Never be afraid to just like something new, to be open-minded, bro. People want to be like, oh, you said you didn't like them and now you like them. What? So? I ain't like onions yesterday, now I'm eating onions. What's up? I can't change? Relax. Okay, so most importantly, let's just try these bad boys on. So like I said, I did get a size 12. I just assumed that they would be true to size. I'll be the judge of that. Oh, that feels weird, bro. That is an alien shoe. Huh. I'm gonna put the other one on. I don't know, bro. Like, I just think it's one of those things that's so weird and unusual. Like, you know, we had, me and a few dudes yesterday had this conversation about a lot of these shoes are selling out, right? But nobody's wearing them. I have never seen someone wear these. Obviously, there's videos of people wearing them. There's photos of people wearing them. But like out and about, not once in my life have I seen someone actually wearing these. And I just think it's a conversation piece. Like, people can be like, yo, what's up with the shoes on your feet? And one of the things that I was wondering is the branding. Like, so we have a very subtle Adidas logo, which I don't know if you guys can see that. I'll put like some B-roll or something. But other than that, there's no Yeezy marks on here, nothing like that. It's just super basic and simple. And I love that concept, man. More and more, I'm enjoying not wearing like super branded stuff. It's always been like that. Like, I like to typically wear basic pieces just because I like that you can wear anything with it. For this, for example, I could wear Nike pants if I want to. I can wear Stone Island pants, and there's no like major Adidas logos. I mean, I like wearing my graphic tees every once in a while, but for the most part, you guys get what I'm saying? It's more of a minimal look. And that's what I love about Kanye stuff. Now, don't get me wrong, it's extremely overpriced in my opinion. Way too expensive, especially when it's outsourced. I get when companies make stuff in the US, but when they outsource and it's like stupid expensive, I get a little disappointed. But not bad, guys. Like, I'm actually digging these. I really like this sand colorway. I think I wouldn't mind getting like a black color. That would be pretty tough too. Now, when we're talking comfort, first impressions are very comfortable. Remind me a lot of Crocs, obviously. I do like how your foot just goes right in there. These are definitely them shoes you just hop on, you just put on real quick and you run some errands, man. I can see y'all out in Florida, West Coast, anywhere where it's super warm wearing these. Yeah. I think I'm really just digging the fact and the way they slip on like that. That's the one thing I liked about Crocs. Is boom. Now, the real questions that come to mind for these specifically is durability. What is your day-to-day comfort actually wearing these? And of course, why are they hyped? Now, I know to a lot of you guys, that's probably a stupid question. Like, Mike, duh, they're hyped because hypebeasts want them, bro. Duh. And no, I don't necessarily think that. It seems like, again, now personally, I haven't tried to get these on release day. I don't know how the Adidas site is. Yeah, I haven't been on that wave recently, so I just paid resale for these. I want to say they're hype because number one, they're different. Obviously, anything with Kanye is always hype in the beginning, eventually dies down. As we can see, the resale prices are dipping. But other than that, what else is it? Like I said, I don't see people wearing these. So what, everyone's just buying them and holding on to them and reselling them? That's the question that I'm wondering, is what makes these cost as much as they do? Another really cool thing that I saw is, you know, these are made in the USA. That is pretty dope. Can't ever be mad at that. Right now, I think these are super cool. I love the way they look. I definitely am gonna be wearing these for the next week, and I just wanna see the reactions and hear what people say about them. Because the majority of your people have no idea who made these or what they are. They look cool. But I'd love to hear what you guys think down below, and you can do me a huge favor, man. Hit that thumbs up. What it's gonna do is boost your boy. We gonna keep getting views. We coming back. Nah, we coming back pretty strong, so that's pretty fire. Much love to y'all. How about this? If we can get this video to 5,000 likes, I'll give a pair of these away any size. But other than that, let me know what you guys think down below. Hit the like button. This is your boy Sneaker Life. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Run it.